So here we are. I just want to show you guys the wig that I am reviewing, which is the What Lace Adanna wig. It is in the color 1. Right now I'm just going to take it out of the wig cap or wig net. And just going to show you a little close-up of the wig again. It is in the color 1. Okay, and it also does come in the colors of Flamboyage Mocha, Flamboyage Bronze, and all other specialty colors. But as you can see, I did get one of the basic colors. It does come in basic colors like 1, 2, and 1B. So just to let you know, if you are one that likes special colors. As you can see right here, there are 2 adjustable straps so that you can adjust the wig cap size. If you have a bigger or smaller head, there are also the 2 wig clips you saw that you can get a snugger fit. This is a 13x6 lace, so it does give you that real lace look, and it does give you the undetachable look as well, which is what this brand is going for. Again, it does have baby hairs, so if you want to use the baby hairs, you can use them. I didn't use them in my look, but they are there for you. I'm just going to give you a close-up of the baby hairs that are available for you, and you may want to tint the lace. Here's just another close-up of the baby hairs. They did a really good job with the knots on this lace. Really good. Bleached or not bleached, they're still pretty not noticeable, so good job with that. Okay, so this is how it looks, and I'm gonna just go in and make a part. I want my part to be kind of like on the side. Well, let me see, because they have one already in here naturally. And I don't want to flat iron it. If you want, you can tint the lace. You can see my wig cap in mine, so I may just tint my lace. But my family is waiting on me, so I might come back and tint the lace. Okay, so for my lace tint, I'm gonna use this by Eben, I think is how you say it. And so what you're gonna do is flip it like this and just spray lightly. Do not spray too hard. And there we go. Now, if you want to, you can glue your wig down. I will probably glue mine down later when I come back home. I have to go right now, but just to glue these little ear tabs down and glue right here. I don't know, I think I'm gonna glue it, so 1 second.